Hello, what's up? Today I am going to show you how to get rid from creepy ads in browser and apps. Of course, blocking ads speed up internet and take less time to load. There is many method, but today we use AdAway. So we divided this video in two parts, which is part 1 for unrooted, part 2 for rooted. So let's begin part 1 for unrooted devices. So we need AdAway app. I provided GitHub link in description. Okay. Before we begin, let's see some creepy ads for proof. Load some website. Okay. As you can see, ads are loading and you see OnePlus Node ads loaded. Okay. So we are going to block these type of ads. Okay. So let's begin. First of all, open AdAway app. Click VPN based method for unrooted devices. Okay. Next, then add a collecting list of ad website which is going to be blocked. Just tap next, or here we go. Okay, it's checking for update. Add away started. Okay, let's check. Okay, we are going to what result going to come out. Just refresh. Okay, you can see that all ads are blocked. None of the ads are showing. You can see. Okay, you can see all of the ads are blocked. Part 2 for rooted devices. So why rooted method? Because unrooted method less reliable. My name's killed by system and also consume more battery. So for root you need super user right. As I have Magis SU, so I have super user right. So open AdAway, choose root based method and grant root. Okay, after continued, next is thinking. So we know rooted method is reliable, it's not killed by system and consume less battery. Next, witness. Okay, let's check results. Chrome. Let's load some website. Okay, this one. Live bed. Okay, you can see that ads are blocked, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay, and suggest me which next video you want from me. Thanks.